Last week we showed you how to design a studio magazine in Fundy Designer in just a few minutes. Well, this week we're going to show you how to make adjustments to that magazine, add pages, and even mix and match pages from different templates within the same magazine. This is a magazine that I've already designed. So let's say I want to add some pages after this page and use these same templates to design something slightly different. So I'm going to click Add Spread, go to my Layouts, and then go to my Magazine Layouts and choose that same magazine that I've started designing with. So let's go ahead and choose this similar layout, but I'm going to flip it so it's on the opposite side. So I hit the space bar, and if we go and look at this, it's the exact same design, but I've flipped it. Now I'm going to take these elements, slide them down, and move this element up. So now I have the exact same template, but the design is slightly different. So this is an easy way to reuse the templates in these magazine designs in a completely different way. Or I can even click Add Spread, go into the layouts, and choose a different magazine. Maybe I want to add a photo booth magazine design to my wedding magazine because it's an add-on for my wedding. So I can click and choose that layout and then go ahead and adjust those colors to match a little bit better and adjust the layout, and have inserted this different template within another template in the studio magazines. And finally, if we want to, we can apply just the left page or the right page of a studio magazine and even mix and match on the magazines within the same spread. So I'm going to open up the personal branding template and mix and match the left side with a branding template and the right side with a photo booth magazine. So this is a lot of information, but basically what I want to show you is by using this layout button and the quick design picker, you can mix and match any of the templates to create your own magazine from all of the resources within the design library in Fundy Designer. So head on over to fundy.com and download the trial, and if you already have Fundy Designer, make sure you use it this winter to design all of your studio magazines.